How you can make the right mindset work for you. We take in and interpret the environment around us using our minds. There can be a huge difference in how you approach life depending on the mindset that you have on a daily basis. Our mindsets shape our thoughts, beliefs, and experiences, and how they interact with one another determines whether we may achieve happiness and success. Having the right mentality every day. A mindset is not actually fixed in stone, which is excellent news. You always have the option to adjust your perspective and your strategy as necessary. In reality, adopting a growth mindset is the whole point. Create a routine. A regimen is one of the finest ways to start. Because of this, consistency cannot start entirely in the mind. You must genuinely alter your behaviors before you can alter your ideas. Implement daily routines in an effort to consistently enhance your thinking. Reach your goals by looking beyond today. As you go through these steps, keep in mind that your future goals are just as important as your current ones. When we find ourselves in a negative rut, we may begin to concentrate primarily on where we are and what we can already do rather than where we can go with advancement. However, it is precisely this way of thinking that will impede all of that advancement. Experiment outside your comfort zone. Making the most of the opportunities that each day offers requires you to stop allowing your thinking to limit you. You will encounter obstacles that prevent you from moving forward because of fear and anxiety, but you can overcome each one. Each decision to move outside of your comfort zone can be a step toward developing a growth mindset, even though it might not happen right away. Accept failures and adapt to change. In the end, having the appropriate perspective might even make failure situations more positive. When everything goes wrong, a solid mindset can assist you in seeing that these kinds of circumstances may actually be opportunities to advance and evolve. Discover daily inspiration and motivation. You can push yourself with the aid of various outside influences. Make sure you're using these every day, whether that means you start the day by motivating yourself with music, take a moment to reflect on the good things in your life, or spend some time reading inspirational books or articles. Nothing can stop you if you have the right attitude. After all, you are frequently the sole obstacle in your path. You must give yourself permission to experience achievement if you want to be successful. Nothing can stop you once you do it. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.